Hey guys, what up? Welcome back to the channel. So as you can see there, I got my Talion. It's all been freshly rebuilt. I got a Hobbywing Max 8 ESC in there running 6S and the Indestructible body with the decals on it and some Proline Big Joe tires on it. This Talion is one of the first RCs I got when I was getting back into the hobby 3 or 4 years ago. And or actually when I just started to really build up my collection. I've been into the hobby for years and years and years, many years, most of my life. But that's my Talion. I got the Proline Big Joe tires on it, the Indestructible body with the decals on it. I love the way it looks. Let's take it out and see what it can do. Take it for some test drives after the rebuild. I haven't even tried it out yet. So let's go see what this thing's all about. We're probably going to see how fast we can, what kind of speed we can get out of it, and see if we can do some cool tricks. Let's get out there, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, here we are. I got the Talion out here. I'm back at the same park we did the last FPV video in. There's some kids playing, practicing some softball or something down here, so I'm going to try not to get in their way and distract them or anything. But here's my Talion. I got the Big Joes on it and the Indestructible body now. Here, let me show you guys. I want to show you underneath too. And I got my GoPro 7 Black on there so we can get some GPS speed footage and check that out. I got magnetic body clips, so the body, I don't have to mess with no pins or nothing. The body just comes off magnetically. Still the stock motor, but I got a fan on it. A Hobbywing Max 8 ESC running 6S. Savox all metal gear servo. This is Savox's best servo. This servo is actually in the Guinness Book of World Records for being one of the strongest, or the strongest servo there is. It's pricey though, guys. These are like $90 servos, but I haven't had one break on me ever. And I put this drive shaft out of an X-Max on there to keep it from bending. I got my batteries, some hot racing parts on here. I love this Talion, guys. I've had this Talion a long time. It still runs like a champ. Anyway, let's quit rambling. I love the way the body looks with the big tires too. It's cool. Let's get this thing bashing and see what it's got and see how fast it can go and all that stuff. Probably gonna put you on the GoPro on the truck right away so we can see how fast it is. So here we go with that.
It's a fading line. I never wanted this, but hey, we're still alive.
right, guys, well, I guess that's the end of that. I wrecked it and it was bouncing off of the tires, and I don't think it hurt nothing else, but the ball popped out of that hub there. So I got to get a new hub or put it back in there. I probably got to get a new hub, because if it's popping out, that means it's way too worn. Anyway, guys, that's gonna do it. That's gonna be the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoy it. If you do, leave me a like down in the comments, or leave me a like on the video, and leave me a comment down below. I'll see you guys on the next video. Later.